What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my quick overview and install on this door panel insert kit designed for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. Having owned two New Edge Mustangs, I am personally all too familiar with damaged or missing door panel inserts. These things are oftentimes not removed properly and in turn will have broken clips or the lock and unlock switch bracket has detached itself from the insert itself. Here in front of me are high quality reproductions of the factory door panel inserts. Each insert is constructed from durable molded ABS plastic and incorporates the factory-like black finish and texture. Out of the box, these inserts are a direct bolt-in for 94 to 98 Mustangs because of the black finish. All other interior colors will need to be painted to match with our interior trim paint. Each insert will have the correct provisions for the lock and unlock switch and the window switch. For the driver's side, coupe and convertible options are currently available and they have the correct cutout for the power mirror switch.
Before you begin, take this time to paint your new inserts. Be sure and reference our detailed video on how to properly paint interior components. To remove the old insert, pull down and out from the top. With the top now removed, pull up on the rear of the insert to dislodge the metal clip. In our case, the rear of the panel was secured with a deck screw. Loosen and remove the two Phillips head screws securing the switchboard to the insert. Disconnect the power mirror switch if equipped. With the old insert on a workbench, depress the two clips on the mirror switch to remove it from the insert. Clean the mirror switch if needed, and then transfer it to your new insert. Reconnect the mirror switch electrical connection. Reinstall the switchboard and carefully tighten the two retaining screws. Be careful when tightening these down because you will be cutting new threads into the insert. The rear clip is already pre-installed on the new insert. Align the rear clip and then work the insert into the door. Fully seat the rear clip and then position the top tab underneath the door panel. Repeat these steps for the other side and then you're all finished.
All in all here guys, these door panel inserts are a great restoration piece to get the interior of your SN95 or New Edge looking the way it's supposed to. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Light.